Mizoram, the land of blue mountains, where rolling hill touch the sky, bamboo forests whisper in the breeze, and every song and dance reflects a culture rich in heritage. Today, this jewel of Northeast begins a new journey of progress and connectivity as Indian Railways brings the promise of growth closer than ever before. Owing to the Act East vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, progress speaks loud and clear, and Indian Railways is playing a vital role in turning this vision into reality. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Bairabi-Sairang rail line spanning 51.38 kilometers. This rail line is truly an engineering marvel. It will write a new chapter of connectivity in Mizoram. It spans over valleys, rivers and green hills through tough and rugged terrains, reflecting the resilience and dedication of Indian Railways. It connects students to universities and links farmers and local traders with wider markets for bamboo, agricultural produce and crafts, making transportation of essential goods easier and more efficient. Among its proud achievements stands bridge number 144, the second tallest pier bridge in India. At 114 meters high, the bridge rises 42 meters taller than the Qutub Minar. Another addition is bridge number 97, Mizoram's longest railway bridge. Honorable Prime Minister will also flag off 3 train services, including the first ever Rajdhani Express from Aizawl to Delhi, enhancing connectivity in the state and linking Mizoram's capital to the national capital, Delhi. New express services from Aizawl to Guwahati and Aizawl to Kolkata add to this promise. Flagging off these trains will cut travel time, lower costs and provide seamless access to Assam's commercial hubs and Kolkata's nearby markets. These trains strengthen cultural bonds, move goods more efficiently and bring Northeast India closer to the rest of the nation. By revolutionizing social economic development and supporting the bamboo industry, these projects are strengthening connectivity, growth and unity, acting as a gateway of prosperity and happiness of the people of Mizoram.